Hi everyone, it's Sandy. So I'm finally able to do my giveaway. I'm so sorry that it took me a little longer than I had anticipated to do my giveaway. I was meant to do this giveaway video a few days ago, but just life got a little bit hectic here at home. I'm doing renovations in the house and with work and just so much going on. I didn't have a chance to do the video, but I can say that I can do this video now and show you guys what you will receive in the giveaway, and I'll also give you all the details on what you need to do to participate. I'll show you what you will receive as well. So this is the giveaway prize. It was a project that we had done a little while back, not too long ago. It was making 6 projects out of one piece of 12 by 12 paper. And we made the projects with 6 by 4 pieces of paper. And these were the 6 projects you were able to make. And this is the one that I did the tutorial with this paper, and this will be your prize. The one that I had made was with this pattern here. It was so cute. And I'm going to show you what it looks like and what you get inside these little goodies, and a few of the other prizes that will come with it. And also with the giveaway, I'm giving away 2 prizes in this video. So 2 of my subscribers will have a chance to win a prize each. So this is the prize. So in this one here, it's a loaded pocket, and I've got in here a little small pack of ephemeras that I've placed inside for you to use. There are a pack of 4 cute little mini envelopes. So these are just some fun stuff in here for you. And then you can reuse the pocket. So I didn't embellish it. I've left that for you to do what you like with it. So that's one of the prizes. And this is the other little easy fold pocket that we made in the video. And I've got in here, as part of your giveaway, a small pack of the file tab shape that you see a lot of my projects. I use these in the projects as bag toppers, or you can use them as page tabs. And then there is also a little pack of these word sentiments that you probably also see me use in my projects. I've packaged up some of these paper bows using the We Are Memory Keepers mini envelope punch board, and these are great for you to add to your projects. And that's how the pocket looks like. And then you can also reuse this pocket as well, and then use this for your happy mail to send off with your goodies. And then we also made a little mini flip book with a top pocket, and that sits up here. And I've just got a little tag, that way you can see that this is the top pocket. I didn't do anything with this mini flip book. I've left this for the winner to have fun decorating it and add some of their goodies in here as well. We also made this cute little top closure pocket or gift bag. It's really, really cute. And I've got in here, well, I use a Velcro as a closure, and I've got in here a couple of little packs. There's some tassels that you could use, and some of my cute little small handmade paper flowers that I've made. These are great to add to your projects as well, to finish them off. So it just goes in there. It goes in the front. And this closes up nicely. And this is a cute little gift box. Again, all of these made with one piece of 12 by 12. It's really hard to believe you can make all these projects out of one piece of 12 by 12. And this is the little gift box with a lid. And I've got in here some sequins that I place in some plastic tubes that you could use for shakers or add to your packaging. So there's 3 different colours in there. And my favourite is this adorable little mini album that I made. This one here was the one that I showed you that I made. And this is the one that I finished off. And that was another reason why I took a little longer to do the video, because I wanted to finish off the album. So I just finished this off last night, and I've just embellished the front. And on the side here, on the spine, I've made a tassel, and there's a little pom-pom. And you can detach this and then add this to another project if you like. So I've got some tulle here to use as a closure. This is really easy to make. So if you've missed the video on how to make these projects, I'll put the link to the project share and the tutorials as well. But inside here, I've just embellished the page, and there are a couple of pockets in here as well. And then I embellished that side, and there's a top pocket here, and I've got in here some punched out gold glitter shapes. There's some hearts and some bows. And I'll put that up there. And then on this side is an embellishment paper flower that I made, that I put on a wood stick. And you can just take this out. It's just got a little foam dot on the back just to hold it in place. And you can take this out, and then you can re-gift this, or you can use this on some other projects of yours. And then up here is another pocket, and I've got a couple of little tags for you that you could also use to embellish or add to your gifts, and that goes in there. And there's another page, and then there's another piece there. It's so cute. I just love this little mini flip book, or mini album, I should say. So these are the first set of prizes that you're going to get in your giveaway for the first winner. And included in this, I'll just put these to the side, included in that project giveaway, you'll also receive all of this as a bonus in the same with this giveaway. So I've got in here a little washi tape. It's a lovely blue color. 4 pieces of my paper flowers. I put together 2 envelopes in here for 3x4 cards or journaling cards, or you could use this to gift to someone. I've also placed there's a couple of paper samples that I've cut up for you to use in your projects. There's a 6x4 sizes, so you could also go ahead and make some more of these projects if you like with these papers, and then some 4x4 size papers, and they're double-sided, so you can decide what side you like to work with. A pair of these precision tweezers, which are great if you're doing embellishments. I just love using my one, so I placed that in the giveaway. There is also a pack of these clear stands by Kaisercraft. I purchased 2 of these. I bought one, and then I bought another one without realizing I already had one, so I'd love to give this away to the winner. And then there are these clear stick-ons, and these are so pretty. These are great as well to stick on your projects. And there's 2 sheets, so there's this one and this side. So these will be all the prizes that the first winner will receive. And then for the second winner, I'll just put these to the side. If you're the second winner, you will receive this lovely bundle pack that I've put together for you, and I'll show you what you get in this pack. So in here you'll get a pack of 4 envelopes that I have punched out with my envelope punch board. There's 4 random prints in here, a 3x4 size for 3x4 size cards as well. And then in here is a pack of goodies, and in this pack it's the free gift for the month of September for those that purchase in my store. So if you purchase more than 3 of my listings in my store, you're going to get this lovely pack, and I'll just show you what you get. I'll just take this out and I'll repackage it later. Sorry for the noise, just so you can see. So if you go to my Etsy store and you purchase any 3 items, you're going to receive this cute little mini file folder with 2 pocket inserts, or a random print, a mini envelope, a pocket with a vellum window with a tag. You could actually still fit a few more stuff in this little pocket in here as well, make it into a cute little mini loader pocket, and a vellum pocket that I have put together with a random washi sample on the side, a washi print on the sides. So that's what you get if you purchase 3 or more of my listings. But for every purchase in my Etsy store, you will receive one of these. So if you just make 1 purchase, you will receive this little pocket with a tag. So that's what you'll get, and this is part of your giveaway winner for the second winner. And then there is a pack of some more envelopes, a pocket for you to assemble, and a tag and some word sentiments, and there are a couple of doilies. This is also listed in my store. You get this whole little pack of random prints as well. If you head over, then you can have a look. And then I've also made this loaded pocket with some more goodies. I'll show you what's in that. You get a pack of 6 of these lovely little flowers that I've made, some tassels, also a little pack of ephemeras that you could use, and this is the pocket. This pocket will also be listed in my store. It's a new listing. I'll have that listed hopefully tomorrow. You will get a random pack of 3 different printed pockets. It measures 4 inches by, I can't remember now, but I'll have the measurements in the listing. But these are great to have on hand, and then you can just pop some goodies and then pop it into the mail, and it's nice and flat as well. But yeah, you get a random pack of 3, and I'll just put that back in there. And you can see how easily you can fit so much stuff in there. You'd be surprised how much stuff you can fit in a small pocket like that. You'll also receive a pack of the same kind of papers, different prints, double-sided as well. You'll get some papers for 6 by 4 inches and also 4 by 4 inches in the pack. And also one of these packs as well of these stickers, clear stickers. Get 2 sheets in there. So that's the prize for the second winner. So that's a nice fun bundle pack there to win. All right, so now I'll let me see. Now to enter the giveaway to win your chance to win either of the 2 prizes, it is open internationally. I'm just reading out my list. And to enter my giveaway for this month of September, you must be over 18. You must be an active subscriber of mine. Like the video or give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. That way I know you're entering in the giveaway. The question is, what other crafts or hobbies do you do other than paper crafting, if you have other hobbies? And also, what are your favorite colors that you like to work with? Is it more shabby theme colors, simple, bright or pop colors, or vintage? I'd like to know what colors and color themes you like to use in your projects. And so the giveaway is for the month of September. The reason being, it is the month of my birthday. And I did read comments on my last video, which was my chit chat video. I read that some of you are also celebrating your birthday in September. So I'd like to also wish all of you a big happy birthday and to stay safe. Wish you love and happiness. And I hope for you guys to enter the giveaway. I will announce the winner for the giveaway next Wednesday evening. So you do have a few days to enter. And then I'll come on here and announce the winner Wednesday evening. I'll put all the details down below for you to enter, and also the tutorials for the projects that I showed you. So good luck everybody, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.